All right, so we're almost there. Another 16 minutes, 7 kilometers approximately, and I think we should be at the peak. देख के तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि the couple of hills that you see on the left hand side, I think one of them most probably is your DD Hills. Okay, looks beautiful. The roads, to be really honest, till here was not that great. There were a lot of cars and a lot of potholes, so not a very good experience, but it's fine. I mean, I think this is where the actual road kind of starts, so hopefully it's a good one. Let's see. Let's see. So I've seen some cars here. Oh wow. That's nice. This is where you actually, get to enjoy the real fun of the climb. Curvy roads, a beautiful mountain on sight. The roads could have been much better, but I think that's the fun. So I'm gonna drive slow. I'm gonna drive slow and enjoy the ride now. Hopefully I am able to enjoy. Because of rains and all, I think some issue with the roads. So what I've understood is it's not as popular as Nandi Hills. Maybe that's the reason you don't see roads laid out properly. Oh, okay. Yeah, I definitely need to have some experience, driving on hilly roads. And that too, if it's just hilly, I think it's good. But here the problem is hilly with potholes is something new for me. At least on this bike. Okay. Nice and easy. Can I overtake? Can I overtake? Yes, I can. Let's do that. Can I overtake? No, I cannot. I should not. Keep it slow. I'm gonna take 5 minutes rest when I reach to the top, and then I'll just head back. What I've heard is that there is some kind of a short trek as well. अब मेरे अंदर अभी इतना दम तो है नहीं कि I do a short trek. My cardio is already done in the morning, so no trek for me. Maybe if I come with some friends group or something, maybe I'll do that next time. But for now, it's just gonna be a ride. Okay, so now I think the actual climb kind of starts, because I see the roads are laid out properly. There are no potholes, and yeah, I mean, looks very nice. Oh wow, beautiful. What a route. The good thing is these kind of potholes don't mean anything to my bike. I mean, it's bread and butter for BMW 900 GSA. I don't want to sound too cocky, but yep, that is the case. Nice. So what are we getting here? I think something to eat. Well, I don't want to eat anything. I'm just gonna go up. Oh, you see? The curves are ahead. There are gonna be a lot of curves now. Wow. This is what I took my bike for. Riding and enjoying and having fun. Oh, okay, so I need to pay something here as well, huh? Well, I had to pay some money. Something to remember. If you're coming here and if you have Airtel, the internet is not going to work. So definitely bring some cash with you. Since I didn't have any cash, I couldn't pay him. And he was kind enough to let me go by. But ये problem आ सकती है. So always have cash with you guys. Don't come like me. Don't be a fool. A lot of people making videos and stuff, having fun. Okay, so he is making a shot for himself, so that's good. Well, if I had some friend with me, I would have done the same thing. Lot of curves. I think we have reached to the top. I don't know where map is taking me, but ठीक है. I see a lot of bikers here. Alright guys, so I'm at the top of DD Hills now. This is how it looks like. This is where the top is. It seems there is a 5-kilometer trek here. अभी ये 5 किलोमीटर ट्रैक तो मुझसे होगा नहीं. So I'm just gonna relax, take a break of almost 5 minutes or so, and then we will head back down. But what a ride, huh? Last ka 4-5 kilometers is really nice, but then of course from Tumkur to that point where you actually take a what is this? Did something break? Not exactly. That's how it looks. Okay. Now that is something new. I'm not very sure why it looks like that, but maybe because of this mechanism. That's very strange, yeah. Sometimes I feel, is it really my bike or not? Acha, okay, yeah, that's how it looks. Oh, it's supposed to. Oh, okay. Anyway. What a view. So I saw a lot of bikers here. I think it's a very popular place for bikers. काफ़ी लोग आते हैं यहाँ पर, at least over the weekend and all. I saw a lot of people falling off their bikes as well, because I mean, you know, bikes are pretty heavy, and if you do not park it in a proper way, then there is a good chance when you're going back, you may have to take a U-turn or something, and then it kind of falls away. But yeah, beautiful place, a good place to explore. Maybe next time I actually do that trek, go to the top of the hill and show you guys a bit more.